Just arrived here at our Airbag Man specialist here in the Gold Coast, Bushwakka. They do a wide range of different vehicle accessories, but today we're going to be looking at the airbag suspension. It is going to be awesome.
As you know, we are the leaders now with the Amarok builds. We've done a half a dozen of these and we keep on getting them through. Full canopy builds, full 12 volt systems, suspensions, tyres and whatnot. But today we are focusing on our favourite part, the Airbag Man suspension.
Everything you need to install your bolt-in Airbag Man suspension comes in the kit. Before proceeding with the installation, ensure you read through your vehicle-specific installation instructions thoroughly. To access your instructions, simply scan your QR code on the box, enter and search your part number, download your instructions and away you go, easy as that. It is recommended that only a properly qualified person installs the product and carries out maintenance. If you are not qualified and attempt to carry out such work, ensure that all safety equipment is used and safety standards are met. This kit's got a recommended fitment time of 2 hours, but we will be installing it in 2 to 3 minutes just for you.
Simply follow your instructions and prepare the airbag assembly ready for installation. For vehicles with factory or aftermarket suspension like this one, rest assured Airbag Man has a solution to maintain a level ride height under all load conditions and maximise your vehicle's articulation on and off-road. To allow your airbag assembly to be installed, your existing bump stops and U-bolt retainers need to be removed. Bolt in the upper bump stop adapter bracket. It's now time to place your airbag assembly into position and loosely locate your existing U-bolts over the lower bracket channels. Fix the upper airbag mounting bracket to the bump stop adapter bracket using the supplied fixings. For vehicles with a manual handbrake cable, follow the steps included in your installation instructions. This specific install does not require this step. This vehicle has a headlight sensor located on the driver's side rear of the chassis. To increase clearance of the sensor arm and linkage from contacting the airbag, simply remove the sensor from the inside of the bracket and reposition on the outside of the bracket, ensuring no obstruction through the suspension travel. Tighten everything up and move on to the opposite side following your step-by-step instructions. Once both sides are installed, it's time to cut the tubing cleanly with either a sharp Stanley knife or tube cutter. Insert into the push-to-connect fittings of the airbag and route along existing factory lines using cable ties, away from any sharp edges and heat towards the rear of the vehicle, where you have mounted the inflation valves. Cut the tubing cleanly once again and insert into the back of the inflation valve. Now for the leak test. Inflate your airbags to the maximum allowed pressure stated in your installation instructions. Check for leaks using soapy water in a spray bottle, spraying all fittings and tubing connections. The airbag install and leak test is now complete. The final stage is to refer to the last page of your installation instructions for the airbag operating heights and maximum pressures. Inflating your airbags to the recommended height ensures best performance of the airbags and will maintain your vehicle's level ride position when towing or carrying load. Now you can enjoy adjustable leveling control and many other benefits with your Airbag Man suspension. If you want to go that one step further with adjusting your airbags and inflating your tyres, we have a massive range of onboard air supply systems available, from switches, wireless controllers and auto leveling, just to name a few. So make sure you jump on our website and build your tailor-made onboard air system today. If you're looking for anything relating to 4x4 builds, camping gear and accessories here on the Gold Coast, get in touch with the team at Bushwakka and their friendly team will look after you. Now remember, bag it with the best.